Much of the work done in oil and gas fields is done underground using heavy equipment. Failures can be dangerous and cost time and money. And what if that equipment is rented? What of that risk? There are several significant claims being litigated over failed rental equipment. How big is this problem for contractors? We asked Luke Butler from All Risks for some answers.
So there's two different types of BHA, bottom hole assemblies, that an operator can employ. We call one a standard BHA. That's not really going to give you any type of measurement while drilling or logging while drilling. The other side of that equation is measurement while drilling, logging while drilling tools. Those tools are designed to give real-time information fed back to the operator, to the drilling contractor, as to the performance of the tool, where it's located, and how far away it's going to be from the pay zone. Increase in technology obviously has increased the price and the rental day rates for these tools. The larger drillers, the Chevrons and the Shells and the BPs of the world, they have no problem with putting $3, $4, $5 million worth of MWD, LWD tools down the hole. Their budgets are such that they can absorb those costs if they get lost in hole. The number one risk associated with employing any type of tools down hole is actually sticking the tool in hole. We call that LIH, lost in hole. It's your number one risk. The tool is irretrievably lost below the surface. So risk managers look at this dynamic a couple of different ways. It really depends on the operator. Does the operator want to drive the Ferrari to get from here to Los Angeles, or does he want to drive an Oldsmobile? Because if he wants to drive a Ferrari, they're there and they're available to rent. They just cost more to replace if you lose it, and the rental rate for that Ferrari per day is going to be a lot more than the Oldsmobile. There's a few mechanisms for risk transfer with MWD, LWD tools downhole. The main one is going to be provided by the tool rental company, where they offer a 50% buy down on their tool if it's stuck in hole. There are other products out there that play alongside of the rental tool companies, 50%, where you can get upwards of 40% additional insurance. So an operator who's renting $1 million tool could theoretically buy down 90% of the replacement cost of that tool if it's stuck in hole.
For more of our coverage of the 2015 ERMI Energy Risk and Insurance Conference, visit the RIN TV On Demand Library.